welcome back. I have a Beatles PR. This is about a couple products for me to try out. All of these are new products that I haven't tried from them. The first thing I have is the Blooming Gel, which I did not use in today's video because I didn't press record, which is a bummer. And I got their base and top coat, and then my favorite, some reflective gel polishes and the liner forms instead of like the wide brushes. But for today's video, I am switching it up. I'm going to be showing y'all 3 cute, simple, basic nail art designs to use with these products. I did have like 5 in total, but I didn't record the last 2. Honestly, I could have just did a whole set, but I wanted to try out a different video format and just to see if y'all like it and if I like it. But overall, y'all let me know how y'all feel. I'm going to be swatching these really quickly, just to show y'all what the colors look like. And I will be leaving everything linked in the description box below if anyone is interested. Alright, y'all, hopping right back in. We're going to be taking their Beetle base coat. I'm just going to do a very thin layer of this and curing it for 60 seconds. Now, I usually don't use base coat on my nails, so I don't have anything to compare it to or anything like that. But as far as personal preference, I like it. I don't have any problems with it. There was no separation or anything crazy like that. So it's a plus in my book. But anyways, I'm just going to randomly pick out a color. And of course, I chose red. I'm going to be doing a cute, simple nail art design. I got 3. I forgot to record the other 2. And yeah, it just went south. I'm doing something really simple and cute. Some nail art designs that y'all seen before. Just even if you haven't seen before, just give you ideas on what to do when you not used to doing nail art for your nails, or just want to spruce it up, or whatever the case may be. I really think like reflective gels are like an easy way to go if you not all into nail art and stuff like that, but you want like a pop of color or some type of art on your nails. So I'm doing this. I don't know what kind of design this is. I see it a lot, like when I see people do their nails, this kind of design. I don't know what it's called, but usually people do it with chrome. But yeah, that's how this look. And I am gonna go in and add some rhinestones on here just to give it a little shazam. But if you want to just use it by itself, that's perfectly fine. Now I'm going in with the Beatles top coat and top coating these. And I will say the top coat is pretty good. It's not runny or anything. You'll notice that when I'm applying my rhinestones, that it's not sliding over the place. Sometimes top coat can be runny to whereas you put a thin layer down and you try to go in with gems and stuff like that. The gems be moving all out of the place and all that. That didn't happen with this, so I like their top coat. I have to continue to use it to give my full opinion on it, but overall so far I like it. But yeah, this is just a cute little simple nail art design. Now of course I should have just used the AB ones to make it pop, but I want to use these because I bought them off of Temu, I think, and probably my first or second time using it. and I just want to use up the inventory that I have that I barely use. But moving on to the second one, this is something really, really simple. Y'all seen before. It's nothing crazy. I'm just going to be outlining the entire nail. Usually you will see this type of nail design with like chrome. I think most of people use this, like do this type of design with chrome. Since it's a reflective polish, I decided to just do it like this. I really wished I would have recorded it when it was dark with the flash on so you can see the full effect, but I didn't, but that's okay. The last one that I did was super simple and easy as well. I did the traditional French. That's not nothing hard, but I will say I wish I would have did the AB crystals, which I didn't. I don't know why. It would have looked a lot better, but overall, of course, I had to go in with this one. This is probably going to be my most used one. I need to check and see if they sell this one in like a bigger container or bottle, whatever the case may be, because this one is going to get used up pretty fast. This one and the gold one probably going to be my most used one, but especially this one. I think I'm going to run through this one. This will step up your game, if you want to do like bling Frenchies. This will help disguise, if you're missing a gem. You can put this down and you won't tell the difference between it. And plus it's reflective, so if you turn your flash on, it's going to be blinging and all that good stuff. This video is really, really simple and cute. Y'all let me know if y'all like this video format where I'm just showing y'all different cute nail art designs. Instead of me just doing like acrylic application and shaping the file and then nail art. So let me know how y'all feel about this. All of these are Beetle products. I will link them down below if anyone's interested. And I do have a discount code if anyone want to shop and save a couple coins. Thank y'all so much for staying around. I'm trying to get a little bit more consistent. We'll see how that goes, but stay tuned. I'll see y'all in my next one. Until next time, bye.